Swagong adlaw sa tanan, no, labi na sa tanang kugihan. Kay kani atong podcast para ni sa kugihan, pero puwede pod sa kanang mga tapulan kay ingon sila ang tapulan mangita man og kuno og paagi para ang trabaho madali. Sakto ba, Sir Dave?
Isa man na si Bill Gates na, Bill Gates. Bitaw, yes. So, maayong buntag, maayong hapon o maayong gabi sa whoever's watching, no? This is unsa man ni atong first
First
para
episode,
sample
first sample
trial
episode.
run.
Wa pa mi kabaw sa kuan sa name sa podcast, pero this is a podcast that we intend to support and that would support and help a lot of entrepreneurs and those that are still in their careers, no, that they would want to be motivated and how to do their work, and later on they might do their business, no, their own business.
Yes. So, unsa man atong discussion karon. So, maybe we can introduce ourselves a
Sige,
bit.
sugot
Yeah.
nimo, sir.
Sige. So, Dave Bisaya here, Bisayang dako. So, kaning podcast atong target nga niyo kay mga Bisaya or basically local business because we're based in Cebu. And I'm a small MSME. Mga anak ko'y ginagmay negosyo we have with my wife. Kani among lugar na naami karon. It's Te Amo Cafe. Nasa Juana Osmeña. Naasad may salon. But also naasad may kuan kaning nakoy murag small online agency na cater sa podcasting actually. So sakto ra kaya na mag-podcast gyud may ani ni Sir Ebro, no. But a little about me kay I'm a product of learning and kaning mga I see a lot of mentors here actually in Cebu through the podcast sa akong unang podcast, no. And I would credit most of my what I have right now because of the learnings. Like I've met Sir Bani Pajes and all of those other mentors, no, along the way. And I always believe success leaves clues. So once you meet these people, rub shoulders to shoulder with them na naagid kayo makatunan. So mo na karon. I'm just grateful na naa ko ani na posisyon na napamsay customer na among mga negosyo. So and hopefully maka-impart sad me or ako sa tabang sa uban na who wants to start or to learn more about sa mga negosyo here sa Cebu and sa matod pa niya mga kugihan, no, who those who wants to build their own business here. So that's it
Ano
for
na
me.
yung motive sa
Mo na.
kugihan?
Sige
Alright.
sir, ikaw na sad.
Alright, thank you, Sir Dave. My name is Ibro. Ano, nasa ko'y gamay nga business, micro to small, no, business, supplying coffee and cafe supplies to a number of coffee shop owners, hotels, restaurants. Initially, diri ra gyud sa Cebu, pero karon naabot na og sa lain-laing dapit sa Visayas og small portions in Mindanao. So, very thankful, sad sa akong mga mentors just like Sir Dave, no. Ako alang hinoon is I'm not a product of learning kay pulan kay ko mo learn. I'm more of a product of experience. So I have failed many times ana. So
Experience is the best teacher.
oo, ingon pa sila kung masipyat daw ka tuition fee.
Yeah.
So daghan kay ko gibayaran na tuition fee na tungod sa akong experience sa akong mga failures, and siguro more of that, no, in my book. Wala, joke ra bitaw.
Bitaw na kay libro ba?
Nindot
Maligya na ta.
ligyan itong libro. Pero bitaw separate lang ano sa ang akong sharing sa personal gyud how I ended up here. Pero in the business sense, 2 years na in the business, and when I started, I was mentored by Sir Ray Kaluoy of RNC Marketing Philippines. So sila and the Filipino Cebuano Business Club, no, daghan didto nga naga-mentor sa tuwa from time to time gyud, na naga-check gyud sa tuwa, kumusta na ka, they motivate you, they tell you not to kanang quit ba, padayon lang gyud. So that's why we're here kay however we were motivated, however we kanang sustainable na ta karon, we want to pass that on to our viewers, no. If you're watching this and you're at that part of business siguro nga kana bang padayon ba, sakto ba niya akong gibuhat. So I hope this podcast will help you.
Yes, indot. So unsa man where do we start? You mentioned maka a little bit about maybe focusing on a certain topic for this first episode.
Yes,
First episode na ganun.
yes. So for this first episode siguro is more on starting, no? Starting a business. Okay, asa mo kita? Ato mo kita sa start. So it's very hard to start, no? Kay kanang usahay ba daghan na kay kag analysis paralysis, no? Oh, na ako'y gamay nga budget pero sige, plano ko ana. So okay ba kanino nga ana asa ka kung location daghan kay ka gunahon nya. Ang ending na hinuon di na hinuon masugdan kay mura na ko mahadlok na ka pa magsugod ba. And the other side of it is kato pong hyper aggressive ra pud kaayo mag-start og business nga wala na lay
Risk it all.
all in ba way planuhay.
Gambling.
All in walay planuhay. So siguro mo na ang question nako siguro no and siguro to those that are watching us is kano saan man gyud ko mag-start og business and what type of business siguro ana. So where do I start? Yeah, para lang nako ang pinaka-safe gyud and this is how I started my business. One, there are several ways. One is you start with what you love, no? Something that you're passionate about, no nga. Kung kana man gani imong buhaton, di ka maluya, di ka kapuyon, di ka mahutdag energy basta kana imong buhaton, no? Kay if diha ka magsugod, usahay man gani di ka kinahanglan puhunan, no? Cause you're passionate about it. I remembered man gud when we were starting a table tennis ministry in a church, no? The idea there is gikan ko og kanang hospitalization. And then I was asking God nga, what do I do now? No, wala ko trabaho, na-retrench ko. And then it was a still small voice, a whisper from God ba nga, be healthy.
Be healthy.
Mura na healthy, be healthy. And then I thought nga, sige varsity mo sa una mo paskwela na ko pag high school o college. Siguro I'll just launch table tennis for kids, ana ba. So wala ko'y pundo to start ang ministry, wala tanan. So I just thought nga mo lang na because I wanted to be healthy. Pero fast forward because I was so passionate in teaching kids, everything was there. The balls were provided, the ping pong balls, the table was provided, and so on from 0 table to 4 tables. But it started with kuan lang yun kadto. Usa lang yun ka kuan nga start something, be passionate a bit about your health ana.
Di ka sweldo ato, di
Walay
ba, sir?
sweldo pero you can just makita gini mo ang pouring nga kanang ang providence ba na nagay usahay fund na sa katong ministry nga so unsa nang isunodan ni ano ba nga asa na gay ni gasto nga na kay it was all provided for good bracket sa mga bata gikag Japan ana gani.
So there were sponsors
Oo,
coming in.
nanay sponsors kami.
But it all started with that passion nimo.
Oo nga passion nga being healthy.
Being healthy.
Ana. So walay kapoy. So and another thing siguro when you're starting is siguro on a more advanced or intermediate level is you can start a business when you're trying to solve something. Because if you know na murag gap ba in the market, murag wala pa maingani gyud ngutana.
Which brings me ako na sorry for
Sige,
interrupting
sure.
pero but basically kato imong first mo good murag we're talking about the passion now that you're doing and that was badminton, right? No?
Table tennis.
Table tennis. And of course at that time it was not something na it was for the kids, no, for the ministry. And it was more of like a passion project, murag not an income generating. So ako lang i-relate ba kaysa karon na imuhang gibuhat karon still a passion but now you found a problem na mo ka income sad ka solving a problem, right? So which is you always mention about the supply and demand of the coffees here in Cebu or even in the businesses like ours, no, na mag-need og supply aning coffee, no. So which brought you to your business ba sakto ba kung sabot ani or
sometimes murag nga na ba for some start yun na passion yun. First ako it was a mix. Somebody motivated me or a situation motivated me nga you become passionate about something kay what man you alam naman ng kape. Ako ya alam.
I thought passion abinaw ka
Wala.
ana ka bro.
Wow,
Sa coffee
ana
connoisseur ba?
dili ay wala jud. 2016 man siguro I was asked to develop, food for a cafe, in
Ah,
Manila, Hillcrest Wellness Cafe in, uh, QC, no? I was not a chef, zero cooking kuan pero namaligya ko kanang food sa call center sa una. So, when they saw the food I prepared, they asked me to become a kuan, food developer. Mura tayo lang basis. Pero I really declined. Kay, what's funny there, yes, I created their food, pero pag abot na sa coffee, niya na sila, "O sige, kape na tayo. Parang gawa na tayo ng kape." Ang akong latte ug akong cappuccino pareha rag naong. So what you alam even when I started coffee what you alam. So I'm just fortunate siguro nga I was mentored by uh, those na nag-una sa industry, Sir Jerwin Ramirez, no, na naroon sa laing nasod, no, used to work in Boss Coffee, dugay siya dito, and Sir Francis Elihino, no, of Dos Caffeine. Mo na silang duha. Ganina while I was thinking ko, I need to thank those two guys that really introduced me coffee nga maka makabaw ko around the coffee industry. So they shared to me and then later I became passionate about it nga. Nindot na not more for the coffee siguro pero more on helping people be at the same pace kay lisod mo kayo daghan kay kagunaw-naon about coffee like unsa ni roasting tayo pa na niya daghan kayo pag yun niya if nagsugod pa lang ka and you want some concept out there nga you pair with coffee adto ka malangay sa kape kay daghan pa kay katunon. Muna I was passionate now on helping people really start their own cafes.
yeah. So mo na yung ginabuhat ro no.
Yes, yes.
So from that passion na build nimo ning kuan and you've helped pila ka buk gani ron.
I lost
Cafe.
count pero the last count was somewhere around 70. Uh, seven
Coffee shops yung mga na
businesses kay
businesses na.
di man coffee shop tanan na may
Oh
restaurants,
wow.
hotels ana
Congrats.
so by
Grabe.
God's grace.
Yes, amazing, amazing. So yeah, for unsa man ni ako ang kuan or unsa man ni atong flow ani.
I mean,
Yeah.
from your end, sir,
How do we start no?
how did you start? Kay, for me, it could either
To
be
be a passion
passion
or
or something that's solving a
yeah.
problem. How did it come
Ano
up for
man
you?
interesting take ani no kay there's a lot of I've read this from book and seen this from maybe mga videos said. But when I was starting out, I always believe ba na ganing if you look around sa mga karinderya ba, the chef, the cook na passionate kay who cooks really well. But at the end of the day, wala sila nakabuild sa mga McDonald's or Jollibees in the world. If you're getting this, mura siya. So it doesn't mean so this is another take I guess. I think it's good. That's why we're here in a podcast no na para makibawta sa mga different takes ba. But for my case, you don't have to have really 100% passion to it or you have to be kind of ganing as long as you're maybe your passion is the business and so or running the business no okay sometimes you don't have to be the best cook to build the best carinderia or even the McDonald's of the world no or whatever that business is so it's also about in business it's about more creating the systems behind it okay it's not just about the product with the business I mean it's a huge part but there's also the marketing the sales and the systems the mga
Daghan pa kayo
POS daghan pa kayo siyang aspect ba so that's why it's overwhelming but at the same time it's also giving hope for people ba na like for my wife no example lang she doesn't know how to I mean she cooks at home but she's not a chef no mura ginana ba so in a business you hire or you get people who are better than you definitely to
Yes.
cook for you like a baker because you can't also do it on your own that's the thing so that's a very core concept for me and that's been my philosophy ever since okay when I started my own katong online ako na agency it's really starting with just one duplicating myself. I was doing the whole work sa kaning mga editing, sa media production, And then I hired my first assistant to do the admin, and then eventually taught her how to do this and this.
Was this during the pandemic or
No,
even
way
way, way
back,
before pa?
2017, and I'm not
I
16.
see, I see.
Yeah, when I first hired someone, no, and yeah, it was just a step by step process that from one to two. So I really keep it simple lang.
Mm.
And eventually, yes, with God's no grace, no, I'm no longer doing the editing in itself or the
Mm.
production side, but more on the acquisition side. So this is another aspect of the business, but yeah, so it's more on scaling now. So, but at the same time, it's uh so murag daghang facets of business, no? And I know some people even maybe because I've met Bunny Abahizo who acquires businesses, di ba? It's in a sense, no? So I think that's also another concept that I want to learn. So eventually, no. So yeah,
Business acquisitions.
exactly, no.
Oo.
Which is
Medyo advanced na siya pero nindot siya,
yeah,
as
you
yung
basically buy a business.
buy a business or a portion of a
Then
business
yeah,
or mura
improve
na
the
VC,
system.
no?
Wala
So,
pasad.
'di ba?
Kaya akong gina-investan, ako ra makaasawa.
Puwede,
So
oo.
the business that I have actually that's the concept na cause I don't know if this is that's the thing. I don't know if it's right or wrong doing this. So far it's working. Na ako we started a cafe. My wife manages it and she wants to do a salon, so I also built a salon. And now I'm also more I don't know if you heard about this sorry bro no na but it's like you have our own different set of unique skills and capabilities ba. Murag ato ang they call it unfair advantage.
Unfair advantage.
Yeah,
Kuya,
so
nindot
for
na da.
my case, I'm dili may ko magsugod pero di ko kabaw muhuman.
Mm.
Dili ko may motiwas. So I need people to help in the day to day for me
Mm.
to finish the project. So
Hmm.
I just now I once I learned that I learned this from a seminar actually, from one of my coaches, Coach Mark, no, from Manila. But basically, so I just embraced that na lang na dili day ko ADHD or something. It's just that mo gid ako ang unique
Mm.
set of kuan ganahan ko magsugod ba. I enjoy say like starting this podcast, but I need some people to help me produce it, di ba? But basically, yeah. So now, so more karon na ako hardware with my dad. Ako siyang gipa-manage and ana. But I put up the business and ana. So now for the real estate as well, like nag-start ng Airbnb. So how do I help?
Kuno din 'no?
So right, ganagmay. But
Oo.
basically, so of course instead of like manning na mag-hire kag mga kanang inadlaw na tao, ikaw may mo-manage, I just get the contractor. Although it's a bit expensive, but the
Mm.
thing is, hapsay yung peace of mind ba? So now you can scale. So it's really, for me, that's how business works in a sense and start. But of course, at the start, ikaw could do it your own.
Yes, I just
Do it in your own.
posted my first vlog.
Business.
A day in the life of a business owner.
Oh, ba? Today,
Kuan,
congrats, ah.
from entrep to IT.
Mm.
Entrepreneurship imong kurso or
Mm.
accounting or marketing. Ning magnegosyante na ka mo shift na imong course, mahimo na ka ang IT. Imo tanan, wala na siya. So, uh, we really start with that, no? As you become an entrepreneur, daghan imo tanan and then pwede po daghan kay kag ganahan sugdan. It's really normal kay kanang with my kuan gani kanang mga colleagues sa Filipino Cebuano Business Club. They had this motto which is not very kuan naman kanang uh, let's say sa tawagan na, you don't use it usually kay sa una daw, 'di ba, when you're firing fire, ready, aim, fire. Sa ila is na sila yung murag kanang kanang kuan ba, ongoing joke ba nga kanang fire, eh, ready, fire, aim. So ready ka, fire, aim. Kay mura fire ka niya, ma-adjust din ka niya hangtod maigo nimo ang target kay sometimes business is like that kanang you see the opportunity kay kung di man gud nimo i-start good basig awahin na kayo nga imo pang startan just like nakoy idea sa una nga because I can't do it everything man daghan kay parehas sa gusto mo daghan kay ng idea na pero di mas pwede masugdan tanan swerte lang siguro masugdan tanan di ba pero I had this idea of crazy chicken. Oo, kanang I really wanted to start that brand, Crazy Chicken. which is
That
it's
pagkaona
it's
or
a chicken with several sauces.
okay.
When you order,
Pagka-hot chicks na.
I want the Mediterranean, I want here, usa ra ko ka chicken pero daghan kog sauces.
Mm.
So that's why it's crazy. Pero I think nana sa Iloilo. I kept talking about it last year. Karon nana sa Iloilo.
That's good. We should try that out. Crazy chicken.
Yeah,
I'll
yes,
visit that.
crazy chicken in Iloilo.
Lagi lang. Kasi nga lang dito, nakakuan ko.
Same, crazy
Crazy
chicken
chicken, good.
good.
Oh,
Kay I had this motto mo sa una because I had several ideas in my mind nga I should share it kay kuhaon ako ni Lord. I mean, paulihon ako ni Lord sa unya, di ba? Mana ko basta na ako'y opportunity to share lang ko share. So, there were several good nga ideas that I shared nga wala pa out in the market. And Crazy Chicken was one of those. So, but butang ta lang, I don't own propriety.
oh yeah.
So, pero it was something that I really shared with a lot of people back then. So,
Yeah. I think these are, and there's, of course, there's no one way to, starting a business. There are different stories and different one. That's why we're excited to bring more people tingay ani atong podcast, no?
podcast.
Yes, but
How they started their
yeah,
own.
kay lain-lain
Lain-lain
jud.
man,
Lain-lain
lain-lain.
daghan stories na by mistake, by chance, by
By
like
kanang frustration.
yeah,
Frustration.
I even heard stories na kanang by copying lang, di ba? Some people just copied another
Oh,
business
yeah,
and
yeah.
make it better, di ba?
Yes.
So
Ako
yeah.
kay kanang katong frustration kay I was so mad during the pandemic because I started something affiliate management team for
Mm.
real estate business in the US. So they didn't have one. I created one for them and it
Wow.
flourished. And then ilang retrench. Ako, kalagutan ni ako yung nagsugod, ako yung nag-polish
Oo ba?
murag didton yun ni gawas ang pagka-entrepreneur yun nga kanang kuan di ba nga
Wow.
they just use my
It
kuan
ignited the fire in
ignited na
yeah.
fire. So nga
Sometimes, yeah,
sometimes
the motivation,
it's from a frustration. So
frustration,
valid ra yun
exactly.
kaya pero muna at the end of the day, is it solving a problem? Are you
Mm.
passionate about it? Para lang na ako.
This is a good start, no? Sa pumunta na discuss
Siguro kana lang sa siguro karon
Kana
kay
na.
kanang especially for those who bisan lang siguro there's one person looking at this podcast no na I'm thinking of starting a business nga wala pag yun out there ba and ang imuha lang is you have so many kanang factors to consider ba. Sometimes we go back to that kung ano saying sa club nga akong business club nga akong gi-attendan nga ready, fire, aim. So you just need to start, no? Kay you'll never know. I mean, para sa nako no, if the certain due diligences are already there, like you have a little capital, did you plan for the next 3 to 6 months how it looks like? Are you gonna operate it on your own? Ano ba? So mga nakuha na nimo ang due diligence, nagkuha ka ng DTI for your name kay movie na funny kayo na ako'y kailang start siya business niya. Wala pa na DTI na inikuha siyang name okay.
Sige lang, I mean, at the end of the day ba, kuan like and I think this is my more general advice thingy with anyone who's listening here, no, is that the world is very forgiving ba. I mean, we live in a world na we can always make mistakes. So
Oo.
and and I'm really hoping dili gid ka tong mga major gid na makasuan ka or what na, pero in business more or less, nagi tuition fee, of course, nagi mga lose gid ka to win some, but yeah, maybe na swerte kay dito na tao na wala gid na fail, no, pero I don't think so. Most of my people I've met nagi malose and when they started.
Yes,
eh,
16 times, 15 times sa
oh,
Mayor Cesar Suwan,
mm,
Mr. Liempo,
50. Oh yeah, wow, yeah.
15 business failures before
Mr.
Mr.
Liempo.
Liempo.
Exactly.
About siguro 300 or basta more franchises now in the Philippines.
Oh wow.
So 15 failed ventures. So ayun, start mo na siya.
Imagine
Start
that, no? So
yeah, pwede you can start at any age kay nanay bagong award ron. Bago lang gipasa mong business class po ba, the late bloomer award.
oh wow.
Those who started business around their 50s.
Oh,
Oo,
I've
no.
heard Julie's, 'di ba? Later man na sila
Oo, 'di
nakuan,
ba?
oo.
So, or KFC, 'di ba?
KFC even, no?
Oo,
Yeah,
so
bitaw, no?
so
So many, I'm hoping maka-interview tani nila po ano, meet these people.
we'll never know,
So if
pero
you know anyone tingin na ma-connect na mo, please let us introduce us to us, no? And speaking of introduction, if you wanna sa man katong meet up nimo, no, na kanang Philseb na to
oh,
ba? So
Philseb, yes,
now
yes,
kay
yes.
schedule ana nila,
Yes,
sorry bro.
yes. We will be announcing the next general monthly membership meeting sa or members meeting sa
Yeah.
PhilSeb because we can bring in guests. So if you want to learn more about business from legends, we call them legends kay
May
Di ba
age na ba age?
dili. They've been in the business for
Ah,
40 years. Dugay na
nasa
jud
mga
kayo,
gani,
30
yeah.
to 40 years
But
na.
it's not just for the oldies man, 'di ba?
No, no,
Nasa
no, no,
mga
no.
everyone is
Everyone man.
welcome.
It's nan naman gud sila sa stage sa ilang business
Yeah.
nga ganahan na sila mo asoy or share ba sa
Yeah.
ilahang kuan mga knowledge, ilang experience ana
Indot.
next generation na ba. So,
Exactly.
wala, we'll announce it on the page for the next members meeting.
Yes.
We'll be happy and be glad to have you there if you are a business owner or planning to start a business.
Of course. No, nindot. So, this is just really all about the podcast. It's all about no na, but and also we're trying to build this community. May it be through Philsep or whatever is what we're building now. No, but
Yeah,
yes,
just
we'd love
because
to meet you. We'd love
because
to meet you.
similarly, if you're starting a business, we just started this today, di ba? Like,
Uh,
let's start this. Okay,
ready, fire in.
okay, dapat kuha naman tayo ka ng atong i-structure niya na structure. Sa amin na to structure kung wa tayo
Record na lang
gi-start
to na
record na ta
bahala na.
dito ana para kabaw na ta unsay lan nindot ni nga point ana kanitang galon ta niya na nindot ni nga point ana. So it's just a matter of starting yun.
Yeah, yeah, good lesson, good lesson. I think that's it. Samantani.
So dire lang sa takutob niya niya sa susunod na pod. And as they always say, kung ano, follow for more.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Without
See you. Yeah.
the daghang kayong salamat for tuning in and we hope to see you in our next episode.
All right. Thank you, everyone.